Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making my Greek salad. First, let's get started with the Greek dressing. I have about half a cup of virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, about half tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Add in some salt and pepper to taste. After giving it a quick mix, I'm just going to wrap this up and set it in the fridge, let it cool, and while that is cooling, we're just going to work on our veggies. First thing I'm cutting up is the cucumber. So I'm just taking 1 cucumber, dice it up, and we're just going to start on the salad. In our house, we love the Greek salad. It's so fresh. It's really nice, especially right now because it is a 30-degree weather outside. I can't believe this heat wave. Next up, I'm adding in some peppers. So I'm just adding red peppers, and usually people put green peppers in this, but I just like the different colors and the different textures of the peppers. So what I mean by texture is you'll find that the green one is a little bit more crunchier than the red one or the yellow one or even the orange one. So it's just at different stages of the pepper life, if you would call it. So the green one is a little bit more bitter, and once it changes colors to, I'm not exactly which way, but the red, orange, yellow, it gets to be a little bit more sweeter. So now I'm just cutting up these grape tomatoes. So I'm cutting them up in quarters so that, I don't know, for me, I just like them in quarters because they are tiny pieces. You can just put it all together with the salad and eat it with a spoonful of everything in that salad. Now let's work on our onions. Add in about half a cup of diced onions. So just a recap on these vegetables. I have 1 cucumber diced. I have 2 peppers diced. I have half a cup of grape tomatoes and I cut them into quarters. And I have half a cup of onions diced. Personally, the feta cheese is my favorite thing in a Greek salad. So what I'm doing here is just cutting these up and crumbling it apart, and then we'll sprinkle it on the salad. I have 1 cup of feta cheese in here. And this is where the part you can add the Kalamata olives if you like. But in this household, we're going to exclude it because Joel is not a fan of olives. So I'm just adding in some fresh mint to this to give it a nice flavorful, fresh flavor. So I kept everything in the fridge and now we're ready to have dinner. So let's remove the cling wrap. Mix this up a little bit more. And now just put this in your salad. And now just mix all of this together and you will have a great, delicious Greek salad. And this is it. This is my version of the Greek salad. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to see my newest videos. Thank you so much for watching.